Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to use the YouTube Music app. So this is kind of a new app that I've seen. So let's look at how it looks like. So download it first from App Store. So search it up on App Store or Google Play Store. Then log in with your email. You could select another account, but I'm just gonna use my own email. And then YouTube Music Premium. So if you'd like to get that, you can get that. If not, if you're going to use the free version, just click on the X, top right. And then free preview, you can have a free 2-week trial. I'm just going to X out of that. And then here we go. So this is music they're suggesting. So this is probably like the most popular music that is right now or on the app. It makes for me. So I added like music that I've listened to on YouTube. It's pretty cool. And trending songs. So yeah, these are like songs that are probably on TikTok, probably. Then radios, as radios you can listen to. A lot of stuff. Workouts, music videos. And then you could click on a genre or type of music you would like energetic, relaxing. Now let's go to explore on the bottom. Then you can look at charts, moods, and genres. Let's look at that. So chill, party, workout, sleep. So there's just lots of different things. There's top songs, and then trending songs. So yeah.
Like damn, she
Click on it.
like
Starts
damn.
playing. And then you can look at your library, so you look at playlists. If you made one through here, you can search songs to up here and look at your account through here. And yeah, that's how you use the app. Thank you for watching, guys.